Good morning, students. Today we have gathered again for covering a very important topic of class 12, that is programming. And programming through Python is there in our course. So let's begin the programming for Python. We know that Python is a very powerful language. It offers a stepping stone into the world of programming. We can do various things with Pythons as it is very easy to learn. It has very useful statements to be applied, and it is very popular, and due to these three reasons it is very powerful also. So we can have it Python to be learned as a programming language in our class 12 that covers 40 marks out of 70 marks theory exam, along with 20 marks out of 30 marks in our practical exam. Let's do the further features of the Python. Python is very easy to learn, as we have seen, and along with that it is easy to read also, as it is a very user friendly language. It does not require any programming skill, means a non-programmer also can learn this programming language, as it has easy to learn commands of English words, English statements only. Along with that, it is easy for beginners as well as for expert to write program in Python by learning its language, its statements. Now coming to some more reasons to learn Python. Python is having a big open source, means we can install Python free of cost from its open source and can apply its statements for the new trends. Along with that, it has a very big library for many things. Its library contains user-defined functions, modules, system-defined functions, and inbuilt functions also. After that, it is a language which has validation ideas, means we can apply using various constraints, using various validations, using if-else statements to be checked for the entered value and to show our outputs in a very formatting and standard manner on the screen. Coming to what we can do with Python, means what are the various possibilities Python language offers to the users or to the programmers. Python offers various opportunities, various options. For example, web development. We can use a web application with the help of Python along with different languages. So Python is used for creating web applications on many levels of complexity. After that, we can have the use of Python for data analysis also. Python is a leading language for applying, for checking, for seeing data analysis. That is, Python has grown in popularity within this field also, as it is easy to understand and include NumPy, Pandas, and many more libraries for data visualization through pyplotting. Python is also helpful in learning machine language because Python gives customers satisfaction of data analysis, and its easy English word statements helps to learn the machine language in few days, along with some new topics also. Python also has wonderful libraries that implements machine learning through algorithms, through flowcharts, and in other different ways also. Python also helps in computer visions, means we can use Python language to set our password, to show encryption in the password, and along with that, a very important achievement of Python programming language is Raspberry Pi. You might have heard about this. It is a very small, tiny, affordable computer used for education. It's a super language, or you can say supercomputer, a 5th generation language computer which works according to the instructions of Python programming. Raspberry Pi can be used as the brain of a robot in order to perform various actions, and the coding of this has been done by Python only. Coming to the next feature, Python is used for developing a game. Nowadays, everyone wants to play game at the free time. So Python is very useful in developing a video game as it has a module named Pygame. And this modules along with different features of PyPlotting helps to create a 3D graph, a 3D image, to put a sound, to set a time for developing a game also. Python is also used for web scraping, a new feature of the programming language which is widely used in the companies for showing their performance, their progress in the annual meetings. So Python is helpful for web scraping also and creates many social media's language also. Along with that, the main part of Python is writing scripts, and that we covered in our class 12. We write Python language in the scripting mode and use its various features like sequence, selection and looping statements. That's all for the Python.